Hey guys, what's up? In this video we are going to see about overriding the base query. So sometimes we need to override the base query set. For example, let's go to collection class. So first we'll register the collection class. So instead of writing it, I'll just copy this. First Control C, and over here I'll paste it. So instead of customer we'll write collection. Okay. Now instead of customer admin you have to write collection admin. Okay, so you can write okay, and which will be inheriting from the admin.model admin. Now list display what you want to display over here. So let's say I want to display first the title. Okay, and then I want to display the product count. Okay, product. Okay, all right, इसको मैं डिलीट कर देता हूँ. Now what happens, what I am going to do over here, I want to show you the number of items which are present in the particular collection. But if you see, product count is not there at all in our table. Okay, so this product count is not there in our table. So how you gonna register it? So this is where the computed column, first we'll have to use the computed column kind of thing. So for this product count, what I am going to do, I am going to define a function. So I'll write def product count. Okay, and this will be self, and it will take collection. Okay, and this will return you collection dot product count. Okay, all right, but again collection is not having this particular field. Product count करके कोई particular field है नहीं collection के अंदर में. So what we are going to do, this is where the annotate method will be used, and this is where we need to override the query set on this page. Okay, so we have another function. So every Django, every admin, if you see, every model admin has a method called get query set. So if you define it, def, if you write get query set, okay, so it will come. This is the default notation of this. I don't want this HTTP wala, so I'll just delete it. Okay, and basically it is saying that we are going to, basically this particular line is saying that we are going to base class and get a particular query set out of it. Okay, so this is where I'll use the annotate method. So I'll write annotate, and over here I'll write products count, okay, equals to, I'll use count method. Okay, if you have not imported count, then import it, otherwise you will get error. Okay, so here I'll write product. Okay, so basically instead of products count you should write products count, because you are counting the number of products which are available in collection. Okay, all right, so similarly you can write products count over here also, products count, and here it will be products count, here also products count. Okay, all right, now just save this and go back to your browser, refresh. Okay, here you have a mistake over here. Now Control S, go back to your browser, refresh. So here you can see that you have a product count over here which is available at this particular thing. So basically these are the collections and these are the products which are available in the product, in the collection. Okay, so but by default if you see, this is not sortable. Okay, so to sort this, what you can do, you can use basically admin.display. I'll write decorator. I'll use decorator. I'll write admin dot display. Okay, and over here I can simply write ordering equals to, अरे ये क्या हो गया, ordering equals to I'll say product count. Okay, product count. All right, this is products count, not product count. Okay, then save this and go back to your browser, refresh. Let's see if I have got it. Yeah, so you have got the sorting. So basically I can sort it using ascending order or descending order. So 0 0 0 238 245, or I can sort it using descending order. Okay, so whatever I want to do, I can sort this particular thing. So this was all about overriding the base query. All right, so thank you so much for watching me, guys, and I'll see you in next video. Next video I'll see about providing links to the other pages. All right.